In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to your ClickUp Workspace. This process will help you streamline your task management by bringing your schedules and tasks into one unified view, making it easier to manage your time effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin the process, you'll start by navigating to the App Center within ClickUp. First, locate your avatar or profile picture at the bottom left corner of your ClickUp Workspace. Once you've found that, click on it and select Settings. Here, you'll find the App Center. This is the hub where all integration magic happens. Next, once you're in the App Center, you're going to need to find Google Calendar. You can do this by either browsing through the Calendar section or simply using the search function to type in Google Calendar. Click on the listing when you find it to move to the next step. Now that you've located Google Calendar, it's time to initiate the connection. You'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to linking the two applications together. After clicking Connect, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Here, it's necessary to sign into the Google account that you wish to connect with ClickUp. This step is crucial because it allows ClickUp to access your calendar. Once you've signed in, make sure to grant ClickUp the necessary permissions to access your calendar information. This is an important step to ensure the integration functions smoothly. With permissions granted, it's time to choose your synchronization settings. You have options here. You can opt to sync tasks to your Google Calendar, or you might choose to have events from your Google Calendar appear within ClickUp. Select the option that best fits your needs. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose the specific Google Calendar you'd like to connect. It's at this point you can decide if you'd like to sync tasks from your entire ClickUp workspace or just from a specific space, folder, or list. On the other hand, if you're syncing events to ClickUp, make sure to select the calendar containing events you wish to import. Finally, to wrap up the process, click Next. This step indicates that you're confirming the choices you've made thus far. Clicking Next takes you to the last screen where a simple "Got it" will finalize the connection. And just like that, you've begun the synchronization process. Give ClickUp a moment to sync with Google Calendar. Once completed, you'll find your tasks and schedules beautifully aligned. This integration is a powerful tool in ensuring that you remain organized and that your time is managed effectively. Enjoy the new efficiency that comes with linking these two platforms, and happy scheduling.